Hey, welcome back. Thanks for stopping in and listening to this video. I just want to remind you before we get started, please hit that subscribe button if anything in this information or these videos is informative and good for you. Subscribe so that you can be notified going forward. Today, well, let me just say this part first. I was asked a long time ago to talk about this topic, reverse mortgages. Long time ago, but quite honestly, when I was asked to talk about it, the economy was in a different place. We were doing great, the business was strong, and it kind of didn't really fit with what we needed to understand. Now, we're at a different time where there's a little more struggle going on around us, and we should be concerned about our senior citizens in our communities and how well they are doing. Now, I can tell you right now, reverse mortgages, it's a sore subject. It's kind of like, we don't want to talk about it. But it's a reality. We are in a economy where some people are having a hard time, and they might be the more mature seniors around our community and our family. And where's the extra income coming from? That's basically what it boils down to, is where is that extra money? Could be $500, could be $1,000 or even more, because one thing that I know has gone up are utilities. They're extremely high. For my for my gas bill, it was like $150 for gas, and I'm the only one cooking. And since it's just now getting to be the cooler season, I'm sure that's going to go much higher. And water is considerably higher than it was even 2 years ago. So we need to figure out where that extra money is coming from. We all know groceries, exceedingly higher with tariffs and things like that. Where is that extra money coming from? I'm gonna say this again. If this is not you, and you are covering your mother, your grandmother, your father, whoever, with their extra expenses, and you know for sure that they are not in any kind of financial difficulty, then you probably don't want to hear this. But there are some who are experiencing hardship right now. Check into what a reverse mortgage can do. Those who are not interested in what's going to happen with the house, or how do we pay back that difference, or that reverse back to me. Let's just do it this way. So basically, how a reverse mortgage works is I have a house. And I have had this house paid off for 10, 15, 20, even longer years. It's just my house. All I pay are taxes every year. The taxes might be the thing that is challenging for me. 2,000, and depending on where you're watching from, even $16,000. I had a client just a couple of days ago tell me that their taxes for the year were $16,000. If you don't have it, where do you get it from? Your daughter, your son, they've got their own kids to take care of now. Or if you don't have any kids, where do you get it from? Reverse mortgage might be the opportunity for you. What typically happens with a reverse mortgage is once the person who has drafted that money out of the equity in the home, it is paid back after they have expired. Hard to talk about, but that's where it comes from. It's actually your money. When you have purchased your own home, it's sitting in the bank, or it's not in the bank, it's sitting in your house. Just sitting in your house while you are there. You could take that money out, and once the end comes, that money is taken from the equity in the home. They're not going to take the house. They just need to get the money that they extended to you out. So if there are legacy in your family line, they can take a loan for that amount and pay that back, and then they have the house. Or they can sell the house, and the portion that goes to the bank that offered you the reverse mortgage, they'll get their portion, and your family has the remainder of proceeds. There's some pros and cons for sure, and you will want to look at those in great detail. Study it well when you see the contract to make sure that it's the correct decision for you. But it's really very easy to make that decision if there aren't any people who are going to receive your home after you've gone on. If you need that money, check it out by all means. And if this information has been of any use for you, hit the subscribe button because I've got more stuff coming. I'm Arvelyn Lewis, and I Sell Real Estate.